Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will integrate a search feature into our sample app using the query wrapper provided by SwiftData. We won't define any intermediate variables just to integrate search, which is commonly done in many examples on the internet. If you want to learn a new approach, you are in the right place. For those who haven't seen our previous videos where we have been building the sample app, let me quickly introduce it and show you the code we have written so far. This is a vocabulary notebook app where users can save newly learned words during their language learning journey. This is the main file of the app. Content view serves as the entry point where we currently place word list view. Here we list the words stored in our database. Users can view word details, edit them if needed, and add new words using the plus button in the top right corner. We have dynamically disabled buttons in the new word view. In Settings view, users can decide whether they want space between the list items or not. Let me show you the rest of the code in word list view in case you want to copy and follow along. This is the code for word detail view. As you can see, I also use sample data in my previews with the sample data class. It creates a separate model container stored in memory, inserting our sample data every time the canvas refreshes. This is our model, where we also listed some sample data. Let's go back to the word detail view. Here is the sample data you just saw. Additionally, we have a form view, which is used in both new word view and edit word view. Here is the settings view, where we use app storage to save user settings. If you want to learn more about the features I just summarized, check the description below for the links to the related videos. Now let's get started. We will integrate the search feature into our vocabulary notebook app. Go ahead and open a new SwiftUI file using the command N shortcut and name it word list query view. We will use this additional view to filter the word list. Follow my steps. Go back to the word list view and define a state variable to hold the search text. Right below the list, add the Searchable modifier and use the search text variable in it. Then we will move the list into the word list query view we just created. Notice that I leave the modifiers here and move only the list itself. We are going to need the query wrapper here, so import SwiftData first. Come back to the word list view, cut the query from here and paste it into the word list query view. We also need our model context here, so go ahead and copy it and paste it into word list query view. Place word list query view into the word list view here. You can select all and click Reindent to tidy up the code. At this step, our app works exactly as before. We just created a new view, moved some code, and rearranged it. Functionally, nothing has changed yet. So why did we do it? Now we can write an initializer in the newly created word list query view to query based on the search text. Every time the user types something, the query will run and the view will re-render to give us the results. Write the initializer of the view outside the body. We use underscore words so that we can modify the query that creates the list, not the list itself. We will use a predicate macro to filter the query. For now, just write true for every word we look for to pass the query. This means the query will return all words listed in the database. Come back to word list view and pass the search text into the word list query view. We received our search text here as search string. If search string is empty, we want all words listed in the view. If not, we will look at the word text, and if this word contains the text we are searching for, it will appear in the list. Use localizedStandardContains instead of contains to make our search text case-insensitive. Let's run the app and try it out. See, every time I type something into the search bar, it passes the text into the word list query view, and the view reinitializes to display the matching words. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions.